Today we're gonna play a game. It's actually a makeup challenge that Andre has created. He has called it, What Makeup Is It Anyways? This is where Andre has picked the makeup products out and I'm going to test them blindly. We're gonna touch, we're gonna smell, we're not gonna taste unless it's edible. Do I win anything?
If you want to.
If I want to. There are no rules in this game. I like this. But basically, at the very end, Andre will reveal what the products are. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
And he is going to be handing me all of the products onto this little clear little tile. It's a coaster. It's a glass coaster. So I got the foundation and he gave me 2 shades. It's not that runny, babe. Super thick. Oh my goodness. And this does have a very specific smell. It doesn't have a scent, like a perfume fragrance, but it does smell like something familiar. Ooh, that's very strong. So it's a very thick foundation. Oh my, that's pasty. Look at how pasty it is. That is full coverage, isn't it?
It is buildable, medium to full coverage.
Buildable, medium to full. See, I was right. I got the first claim down. I believe it's gonna be a matte finish.
Matte foundation.
Okay. I'm only saying that just because of the texture. It's very thick, it's very pigmented, and usually when you have a product like this, it's gonna have a very decent amount of coverage, and it's gonna have more of a matte or a velvety matte finish. Yeah, see? Oh man, that's a lot. What is that? How many pumps is this? Is this just one pump? That can't be one pump.
I can't tell you.
That can't be one pump.
No, it's not one pump.
I was gonna say. I think that's enough product already.
Yeah.
I think it's too much.
I went overboard.
Okay. Probably should not have applied this in multiple spots on my face because it is setting very, very fast. And that's like the tiniest amount of product. You can see most of the redness has disappeared. It still has a little bit of stretch even though it's been sitting on the skin. I feel like this might be better with a dampened sponge than a brush, but it's still blending out really nice with a brush. What is that smell though? This foundation has a very particular smell.
So, what do you think price range? Do you think this is more luxurious product or do you think this is more cheaper?
I'm gonna go like mid.
You think it's a mid-grade?
Yeah, mid-range. It's around the $30 price point.
You're pretty good.
Can I get one guess?
You can go on guess, yeah.
Huda Beauty?
No.
Dang it. It's a little more fluid than this. This is too thick. What is this?
Do you like it? I mean, how does it feel?
It's really nice because I used a very little amount. It looks good and it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like you have any product on your face. It has no tackiness. It's very lightweight.
All right, so you already got one of them. Feels lightweight and so comfortable. That's one of the descriptions.
Dang, dang, dang. How many more guesses can I have?
Let's say 3 foundations.
Okay, okay. So this is reminding me of, kind of the Estee Lauder.
Okay.
But I feel like the Estee Lauder is a lot more fluid. But it's reminding me of the Estee Lauder, the properties. It's reminding me of the LYS foundation.
Okay. You already thought it was Huda Beauty.
Oh yeah, Huda Beauty, the full filter. Those are my 3 guesses.
Yeah, it's one of them.
It's the Estee Lauder?
Yes.
See, I thought it was way more fluid than this.
Maybe because you put like 8 pumps on.
Yeah. And it's that smell.
It's the Estee Lauder.
It's the Estee Lauder, yep. Like all day wear foundation.
You're really good at that one.
Here it is. How many pumps of this did you put?
There's no pumps, I just poured it.
Oh, that's right. This one doesn't have a pump.
Can we save that?
Oh, we're saving this. I'm gonna scrape this back into the bottle. We have 2 concealers. Well, actually, they're the same concealer, different shades. And the texture is very, very moussey. I'm gonna take this one right here. It's very moussey, but thick. Feels very nice. I think maybe I have a guess on what this is. It's definitely drugstore price.
Why?
Because there's not many products like this that are mid-grade or luxury that have this kind of consistency for a concealer.
Okay.
There is one, but it's a lot more liquidy, and that's by Charlotte Tilbury. I don't think she even has that concealer anymore. This is the other color. You can see even the way I'm spreading it out, how thick it is, but a little goes a long way.
I mean, if you think you know what it is.
Is it Maybelline Instant Age Rewind? He's looking to see if it is.
Okay, so you got one guess.
Okay. Another guess.
Let me.
Oh yeah, read the description to us.
Yeah, let me read you the description.
I'm just using my finger to blend this in, just because of that texture. With my finger, you can see I'm getting pretty decent amount of coverage with just 2 dots. It's spreading pretty well. It has more of a matte finish. I'm kind of debating. Is this the Maybelline?
Concealer for dark circles.
Okay.
Fine lines instantly.
Instant Age Rewind.
Create a radiant, refreshing looking eyes.
I feel like that just gave it away.
A goji berry and holly helixal.
Helixal?
Yeah.
No idea what that is.
Yeah.
I think the instant gave it away. Because it's literally in the name. Instant Age Rewind.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
Nice. It's literally that texture. Because most concealers, they're a little bit more fluid and they're not as moussey.
Okay.
So that texture kind of gives it away right away. Just because I do like that product though. And I do use it quite a bit. Nice. Okay. I feel like you're giving me the easy ones, babe. We have mascara. And he said just don't look at the bottom because it has the name. I can already feel that it has a little bit of weight to this mascara. We're going to open it up. And the thing is, we were debating on how to do mascaras, if we should do like a disposable wand, but we said no, just because the brush is usually part of the formula. You know what I mean? It's the mascara with the mascara wand. Like you can't use one or the other. It has to be together. So this one right here.
So what's the wand look like?
The wand looks like Too Faced Better Than Sex. It looks like L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It has a typical, the boar bristles, but they're a little bit more tightly packed. And they kind of come to a little tapering in the center. And this looks like it's gonna be a volumizing mascara, but also might be very clumpy because there's a lot of product on here. It's very black. And you can see it's kind of clumpy a little bit, flaky a little bit. So either this is a very old formula or it's a very, very volumizing mascara. I think this one is mid-grade.
Mid-grade?
Just because
Price range.
around $20 to $25, just because it has a little bit of a weight to it. Most drugstore mascaras don't. They're a little bit lighter.
But how is it performing? At what level?
I mean, I love my drugstore mascaras, but this is performing really nice. It's definitely a drier formula. I'm gonna keep repeating that just because you can see the way it's applying and it's kind of leaving some balls on some spots. So it's volumizing mascara. But what is this? I feel like I haven't tried this one yet.
You haven't.
Oh.
This is not something you have tried recently.
Oh, recently.
I haven't seen you try this in a while.
Recently?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually stumping me. I'm not even sure what this is. Because like I said, it could be a super old formula or it could be a brand new one.
You want me to read you
The description?
description?
Please.
All right. Instant drama.
Okay.
Volumizing.
Okay.
Anti-gravity lift.
Anti-gravity lift. Okay.
Panoramic effect.
Okay.
Precise brush. Inky black shade.
Keep black shade.
Sculpting. Weightless. Contoured brush design. Transforms your lashes on impact with a supernova of deep space drama.
This could be, but I did test it out recently. The REM Beauty, Ariana Grande's. I mean, it's reminding me of the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced.
Okay.
If one more, oh man, I'm not even sure. It can't be the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is too light for it. And I feel like the wand was a little bit thicker than the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm not even sure, honestly, what this could be. Ooh, this could be the Milk Makeup. No, the wand is a little bit different. You know what? I'll just say Milk Makeup. Okay, what is this?
Pat McGrath.
Pat McGrath. Interesting.
Are you surprised or not surprised?
I am surprised.
In a good way or in a bad way?
In a good way, because this is a really good performing mascara. Like right away, it gives you the volume, it gives you the length. Oh yeah, the Dark Star mascara. Yeah, I haven't used this one in a long time. So it is definitely a little bit drier, but it was always more of a drier formula. Wow, interesting. Yeah, see, I would have never said Pat McGrath, because this kind of wand is so similar to so many other ones.
Yeah, it's $30.
See, that I would consider a high-end for mascara.
30 bucks?
Yeah. $30 for mascara? No, that's definitely high-end. This was a hard one. Like a really hard one.
All right, so we got blush next.
Okay, next one is blush, and this obviously is liquid blush. Smells old.
Does it?
Let's feel it. It's not, I mean, it is very liquidy. Has kind of like a gel consistency. Ooh, what is this? It has a very particular smell. What are you? It smells very sour. I feel like I haven't used this product in a while. I'm just using my fingers.
Does it blend easy?
Not really.
Doesn't blend easy?
Kind of having a little bit of a hard time. It's not bad. I think I would like a dampened sponge for this product. You can kind of see the streaks a little bit. Just a tad. Let's try a brush. Let's see how a brush works with this. Yeah, I feel like a brush is much better with this product than fingers. Has kind of like a nice, like a healthy look to it, healthy glow. It doesn't dry down matte right away, so you definitely have some playing time with this blush. Interesting. What are you? This could be the Glossier Cloud Paint, or it could be the Milana or the Flower Beauty. They all have a very similar type of a texture, kind of like this gel liquid texture, but it is pigmented. It's blending out really nice with the brush. Interesting.
You want me to read a few of the
descriptions? Yeah.
Buildable, lightweight liquid formula
Okay.
that gives cheeks and lips a perfect sheer kiss of color.
Okay.
Ultra blendable and buildable, lightweight, creamy liquid formula.
Okay.
You already said that. Multi-use, easy to apply. Blush lets you control that blush factor.
Okay. I already give you my 3 guesses, but my last and final is the Glossier.
It was one of the 3.
It was one of the 3?
It was one of the 3. Yeah.
Oh.
Which level is it for formula?
It kind of smells like Milani.
Milani?
Yeah.
It's a Milani.
Oh!
Milani kiss.
It's Milani Kiss. I don't use these on my lips. I like them on the cheeks. And I do like them using a brush or a dampened sponge. Because you saw with the fingers, because of that texture, it kind of has like a gel texture where it just doesn't blend well with your fingers. You need a brush to really kind of help pack this in. But it's a really easy blush to work with. It's not intimidating, even though it looks like a hot pink color. It's very easy to work with.
Yeah, you're really good at this. I think it's because I'm giving you stuff that you like, you use
That
a
I
lot.
know.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
use a lot.
probably. Probably. I feel like you probably shouldn't even just give me this.
What do you think that is?
Just saying.
What is that?
Just by the tube and the way the lipstick is formed, it's definitely the Chanel. They're laughing over here. You like the you wrap this?
Okay, next time I'll have to be a lot more incognito.
Oh, babe, you're so funny.
It looks like you use it a lot.
Yeah,
There's almost nothing left.
that's all that's left. A little nub.
That was a bonus for you.
Thank you. I like these bonuses. That concludes episode 1 of What Makeup Is It? what is it called?
What makeup is it anyway?
What makeup is it anyway? But honestly, it makes you really think about what the product is in terms of the characteristics and the properties, not of what the brand is and what to expect, but kind of like touching it, feeling it, applying it, and really seeing what it does, and then making your decision, right? What's the next episode?
More different
High
products.
and low.
Oh, we can compare?
What is what?
Sure.
Price points.
Yeah. You can do that. Cheap versus expensive.
Yeah.
See if you can guess.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Thank you for watching, spending time with us, and we'll see the next one very soon. Bye.